Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So for Ethereum, quick update here. In the last video, I talked to you about the upcoming increase in a wave 4, and I think this is what we have seen. I cannot completely rule out that this is already the first impulsive wave on the way up, but for me it's looking corrective, especially as we haven't really seen a wave 4 yet in this move down within a wave C of a higher degree wave 4. So we get to that in a minute. Overall, the overall scenario unchanged. With that latest dip, it's actually going according to plan. The overall scenario suggests that we have seen a wave 1 here to the upside. We have seen a wave 2 to the downside. This was an ABC structure. It could also be seen as a 1-2-1-2. However, I'm not very convinced about that. It makes more sense to count it as an ABC. Therefore, we have only one wave 1, wave 2. This here was the wave 3, consisting of 5 subwaves complete. Yeah, the wave 3 is complete, and then we came down in a wave A, moved up in a wave B, and I defined this green target area between 1400, 1410, and 1325. In which we came into perfectly. In the last video then I told you that we are probably not finished yet with this wave 4 here in blue, that we will see another move up. Don't get too bullish when you see that, because first we need to assume this is only a wave 4, where we then will see another wave 5 to the downside, and this fifth wave in yellow will then complete this C wave here. And the C wave will complete the wave 4, the higher degree wave 4, after which we should see a wave 5 to the upside. Basically, it should, in a textbook scenario, look like that. We come down once more in a wave 5, and we then move up in 5 waves into a wave 5 here. That's the higher degree wave 5. That wave 5 would then be complete at some point around 1700, maybe a little bit higher. From here, we should, in the ideal scenario, see a move down in a larger, because all of this would then be a wave 1. Yeah, these blue 5 waves, these 5 waves in blue, they will then form a larger wave 1. That will then be corrected in a larger wave 2 in an ABC pattern in the highest likelihood. And that would then complete this overall correction. Yeah, I mean, if we then see a higher low in this wave 2, in this ABC, compared to the one down here, it is very, very likely that the overall correction for Ethereum is complete and that Ethereum's low was in here at 880. So this is the preferred scenario at the moment, and in my opinion, the most likely one. Should we drop below 1325, it will raise questions about the current scenario. It will then get much less likely that the current wave is still a wave 4 in blue. If we go below 1280, it will completely invalidate this, and I would then have to go with a scenario in which we count it as a 1, 2, and another 1, 2. Possible, but just shows some weakness in the chart. Overall, if it is a 1-2 and a 1-2, it would actually lead to higher price levels. However, it's disappointing that then the fifth wave was never complete, because it just sort of delays, let's say, the official breakout. Okay. However, because we always want to see the evidence in the Elliott Waves, we want to see the 5 waves as complete. Now, for now, we need to be on high alert that it's coming down again. As I said to you in the last video, don't get too bullish. If you see a move to the upside, it is, in my opinion, only a wave 4. Now, that wave 4 will get less likely above, I believe it was 1455. So, yes, we briefly broke that, but not substantially. So, let's see which level is relevant here. Yeah, the 50% fib level. So, we are currently exactly in the area that I told you we would get into in a wave 4. That was between 1403 and 1455. We cannot, or we should not, in a wave 4, go above 1455. If we go above 1455, I would probably still give it the benefit of the doubt. Yeah, I would, because of the long sell-offs, we were quite oversold. However, above 14, I didn't want to move that actually, but above here, above the wave 1 low, if we get above 1500, then we can be sure it's not a wave 4 anymore, because it would invalidate it. So if that wave 4 goes above 1500, then that cannot be a wave 4 anymore. All right, and then that is quite a good signal then that actually wave 4 here in blue was already complete, and that we maybe had this as the 3, this as the 4, this as the 5. Because what you need to understand, as soon as we get into such a green box, the overall reversal can happen at any time. I mentioned that regularly. And now it's getting here at it's at a tipping point basically. This this 1455 level is very important. So again, a move above that level will already indicate it's not a wave 4 anymore and will increase further upside potential. Real evidence for that we won't have above 1500. Okay, and that's my view about Ethereum. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.